Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to check IMEI numbers and serial number on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. There are two methods to check. First one is go to settings of your phone here, then go to about phone and go to software status information and click on IMEI information, and here you will see IMEI for SIM card 1 and IMEI for SIM card 2. Okay, then go back and serial number can be seen here. Okay, serial number is read as here or is it CX like that. Okay, so in this way this is one of the method. Okay, the next method, just to go to dialer, then type *#06# and you will get IMEI numbers and serial number in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Okay, so in these two methods you can check. First method going through settings and about phone, and the next method typing *#06# and IMEI numbers and serial number will be shown to you. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.